I am so excited. I'm having a Mario Kart birthday party, but it was like supposed to be a birthday party, but now it has turned into something a little bit more serious. It has turned into a full-blown tournament. This is the first ever IJ Invitational Mario Kart tournament. Now, I don't really know how this is all gonna play out. I invited some friends. Everyone's getting very competitive now that they know that there's a trophy involved. So first things first, we need to do a little decorating. My sister's gonna come over and help, but I feel like I don't actually have that much decorating to do. I don't even know what is in here, but this is something I'm excited about is these chocolate coins. I looked for mushrooms, but the only type of mushrooms that I found online were psychedelics and actual real mushrooms. I'm not interested in that, but these chocolate coins are definitely something I'm interested in. So I guess those will do as some party favors. We also have a cake. You can kind of see it. We've got a little Mario and a little Luigi. It looks so good. But first, we have some controllers charging, and I also need to update my Switch. I haven't played Mario Kart in a while, so I gotta make sure I have all of the updated DLC. It's updating. It's happening. Big news. Okay, so I came in first, but that doesn't mean anything because that's against the computers, but against my friends who I know are really good at this game, it's not gonna stand up. Wow, we have a lot to do.
I know.
Oh my god, I thought it was just like hang up a banner. No. This is so ugly. Like, it's all wrinkled, but it's what we're doing. It's what we're doing. Where will the trophy go though? Oh, Jesus! The trophy? Probably next to the TV. Oh, no, that'll get knocked over. And then you can have the light, like a spotlight on it. Great idea, Jenna. Yeah. Great idea. How did you do this? That's great. It's party day, Jen! Party day! Oh my god, someone's here! Someone's here! I feel like I'm like, you know, in the retirement home here. Oh. Do you remember the party in 2014?
Oh yeah.
Yes.
Iconic.
Legendary. So I was like rewatching the vlog. I'm like, oh my god, like we need to do like a recreating
Yes.
of that.
But better.
Yes, better.
A trophy's involved. Okay.
Oh, get this! We go to Party City, buy this big freaking balloon, and then we're like, can you fill this up? They're like, oh, sorry, we're out of helium today.
He's as tall as me.
Whoa! How do you do that? The party's officially started.
I don't know where's his hole?
Are there multiple holes? Is it down here?
Hello.
Shut
Happy birthday.
up. Shut up. This is unlike anything I've ever seen in my entire life.
Aren't they beautiful?
Wow. Oh my god.
It's okay.
Oh my god. It's the best thing I've ever seen. This is,
It doesn't even say happy birthday, but we can imagine that it says happy birthday, Justine.
I'm done.
Your first cake did.
Oh man, we're having some cookies. Okay, go
What
for
flavor
it.
do you want?
Wow.
I love when it's not cooked on the inside.
Oh my god. Strawberry shortcake. Strawberry cheesecake. Oh my god, it's so good. I gotta put this down so I can enjoy it. COVID procedures. Oh my gosh, thank you guys so much for coming. I'm so freaking excited to finally get this tournament started. So if you haven't seen yet, we do have a trophy. Now, I don't know how the tournament is actually gonna happen. So I guess we eat some cake and cookies, and then we game. Woo! Yay! I'm like coming in last again.
Okay. It's okay.
No,
I'm having the best time of anyone right now.
I feel sickening, and I feel like I'm gonna win.
As long as I beat Joey, it's fine.
I feel like I'm doomed. I feel great.
Okay, good.
Yeah.
Okay, good.
Head of the loser bracket.
So final four, we have Cara, Lena, Lauren, Like this is gonna be.
We'll go back.
I don't. It's gonna be intense.
Okay.
All right. I'm gonna put her back over here. It's a tie. Do we have to do one more, which is you two?
I'm so stressed out.
Self-respect, when you out of line, you put yourself in check. They don't hear me, they don't hear me,
All right, so the winner of the IJ Invitational Mario Kart Champ for March, because maybe we'll have another one.
March. Does it say
March.
that?
So this is gonna be like the Stanley Cup. So you need to defend your championship for the next time that we have one.
Okay, sounds good.
There you go, Leah. Congratulations! Now we can all go to bed.
Speech.
Speech!
Who do you want to thank?
I would like to thank Justine for having a birthday.
Anybody else?
Everyone else in this room. And Rosalina for just always coming through for me as my character. Editing.
Any words from the Biggest Loser?
I beat Dry Bussy over here.
She did.
I was terrible.
I lost so long ago, like I don't even remember. Jordan's half asleep.
Do we have to thank any sponsors for this video?
We don't.
No sponsors?
No sponsors.
Okay, got it. Thanks, iJustine's bank account.
Yep. Okay, bye, thanks. All right, thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. It's been a while since I've vlogged, but we had to vlog the Mario Kart party because it was only appropriate. And now I have 2 Mario and Princess piñatas in my home as a new staple, as 2 guests. 2 new guests here. All right, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.